Il tempo imperfetto. The imperfect tense in Italian, describing habitual actions in the past. The imperfect tense is used to talk about what someone used to do regularly in the past, describing ongoing actions in the past. It is used to describe what was happening at a specific time in the past when another action occurred. Setting the scene in past narratives. It sets the background of a story by describing the general state of things or ongoing actions that were happening before the main events of the narrative. Examples: habitual actions.
Quando ero bambina andavo al mare ogni estate.
When I was a child, I used to go to the sea every summer. This example shows a regular activity that took place every summer in the past. Ongoing actions.
Stava piovendo quando sono uscita di casa.
It was raining when I left the house. This sentence uses the imperfect tense to describe the ongoing action, raining, that was happening at the moment the speaker left the house. Setting the scene.
Era una notte buia e tempestosa e il vento soffiava forte.
It was a dark and stormy night, and the wind was blowing hard. Here, the imperfect tense sets the scene of the story, describing the general conditions that were ongoing. Interrupted actions. To illustrate an ongoing action being interrupted by another, you can use the structure similar to the English past continuous and simple past.
Stava cantando quando sono entrata.
He was singing when I came in. This sentence shows an action, singing, that was ongoing when suddenly interrupted by the speaker entering.
For, are, verbs, the endings are avo, avi, ava, avamo, avate, avano. For example, parlare, parlavo. For, ere, verbs, the endings are evo, evi, eva, evamo, evate, evano. For example, leggere, leggevo. For, ire, verbs, the endings are ivo, ivi, iva, ivamo, ivate, ivano. For example, vivere, vivevo.
Now listen to a short story in Italian. First, we'll listen with subtitles to follow along. Then, we'll listen again and repeat the sentences. Feel free to pause the video whenever you need more time to practice. Each sentence will also be translated into English with subtitles. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating these lessons just for you. Thank you. Let's get started.
Quando Claudia era bambina, ogni domenica andava al parco giochi con la sua amica Marta. Le due amiche lasciavano la casa dopo pranzo, quando il sole era ancora alto nel cielo. Mentre camminavano verso il parco, Claudia e Marta chiacchieravano di scuola e dei loro programmi televisivi preferiti. Il parco era vicino, a soli 5 minuti di cammino. Non appena arrivavano, Claudia correva verso l'altalena, la sua attrazione preferita. Un giorno, mentre giocavano a nascondino, iniziò a piovere all'improvviso. Claudia stava cercando Marta quando sentì le prime gocce di pioggia sul viso. Proprio in quel momento trovò Marta nascosta dietro un grosso albero e insieme corsero subito, sotto il tetto di una casetta nel parco, per ripararsi. Aspettarono lì, fino a quando la pioggia cessò. Appena smise di piovere, Claudia e Marta ripresero a giocare, ridendo e schizzandosi l'acqua dalle pozzanghere. Alla fine del pomeriggio tornarono a casa stanche ma felici, pronte per la cena e per iniziare una nuova settimana.
Now listen again and repeat. Pause the video if you need time.
Quando Claudia era bambina,
When Claudia was a child,
ogni domenica andava al parco giochi.
she used to go to the playground every Sunday
Con la sua amica Marta.
with her friend Marta.
Le due amiche lasciavano la casa dopo pranzo.
The two friends would leave the house after lunch
Quando il sole era ancora alto nel cielo.
when the sun was still high in the sky.
Mentre camminavano verso il parco,
As they were walking to the park,
Claudia e Marta chiacchieravano di scuola.
Claudia and Marta would often chat about school
E dei loro programmi televisivi preferiti.
and their favorite TV programs.
Il parco era vicino,
The park was close,
a soli 5 minuti di cammino.
just a 5-minute walk away.
Non appena arrivavano,
As soon as they arrived,
Claudia correva verso l'altalena,
Claudia would run to the swing,
la sua attrazione preferita.
her favorite attraction.
Un giorno, mentre giocavano a nascondino,
One day, while they were playing hide and seek,
iniziò a piovere all'improvviso.
it suddenly began to rain.
Claudia stava cercando Marta
Claudia was looking for Marta
quando sentì le prime gocce di pioggia sul viso.
when she felt the first raindrops on her face.
Proprio in quel momento
Just at that moment,
trovò Marta nascosta dietro un grosso albero.
she found Marta hidden behind a large tree,
E insieme corsero subito.
and together they immediately ran
Sotto il tetto di una casetta nel parco.
under the roof of a small house in the park
Per ripararsi.
for shelter.
Aspettarono lì,
They waited there
fino a quando la pioggia cessò.
until the rain stopped.
Appena smise di piovere,
As soon as it stopped raining,
Claudia e Marta ripresero a giocare.
Claudia and Marta resumed playing,
Ridendo e schizzandosi l'acqua dalle pozzanghere.
laughing and splashing each other with water from the puddles.
Alla fine del pomeriggio,
At the end of the afternoon,
tornarono a casa stanche,
they returned home, tired
ma felici,
but happy,
pronte per la cena
ready for dinner
e per iniziare una nuova settimana.
and to start a new week. Thank you for joining me on this journey to learn Italian. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your ideas and tailor our content to your interests. See you in the next lesson.